Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we are going to be unboxing the February 2021 PreCuts Classic Quilt Box. If you're unfamiliar with these boxes, they're a monthly sewing and quilting subscription box. I will put a link where you can get them in the description box below the video, so just click the show more link and you'll see the link for that. They also offer a couple other styles of boxes, so definitely head over to their website and see what they have to offer. But today we're going to be unboxing the Classic Box. So this is actually an anniversary box, so there's a couple extra special goodies in here, and one of them is this fun insert. So normally they just have kind of a foldable insert that just tells you what's in the box. It also has a coupon code. That is still in here, but there's also a new feature at the back of the magazine that is a block of the month. So I'm assuming that means we're going to be getting these going forward as well, which is kind of exciting. So here is what the first block looks like, and it looks really cute. And then of course there's instructions on the page. I just don't want to give away all of the details on there. There's also a little bio post from Marcia Cornell from My Mind's Eye. Tells all about her company, how it got started, and it says our party decor has even been featured in television shows, movies, and used at several celebrity parties. In 2016, they were honored to have their party fans decorate the White House in their Christmas celebration, so that's really cool. The pamphlet also has information on what's inside the box, just like always, and then it has two coupon codes. There's a 30% off fabrics and pre-cuts, and then there's a 20% off books and patterns, so that is awesome. And this is their second anniversary box, so I'm going to start off with the little anniversary prize that they sent out. So I got this cute little vinyl pouch in my box. It's got some goodies inside. So it's just got a fun little note in here with some, just a thank you for subscribing, some coupon information in there, and then some information on this scratch card. So in the front of this pouch is this cute little business card, but on the back, it's a fancy scratch card. And should we see if I won? You guys would freak out if you knew what I was using to scratch this off with. Oh, I didn't win. It's okay. Let me know if you guys get this box. Let me know if you won and what you won, because I'm excited to see what they had offered as prizes. So either way, it's kind of a fun little addition. Okay, let's get into the box contents. So first thing in my box here is this Olfa 45 miller rotary blade. These retail for about $10, and I always love getting these in my boxes because for whatever reason I'm horrible at purchasing these and remembering to purchase these, but these are perfect for my Olfa splash, which I may or may not have just used to scratch off that card. The next thing in my box is this HOPSCROSS quilt pattern. This is by PreCuts Classic Quilt Shop, and it says it's easy to piece with 2 finished options. It's layer cake friendly, but you can also use charm packs. They're listing it as a beginner intermediate level pattern, which looks about right, and it looks like it comes in 2 different sizes. This one, let's see, 60 by 74, but it also has an optional board that you can add to make it 68 by 82. Okay, so the pattern looks like it's nice and colorful, and there's actually a coloring sheet in here. I don't know, you might not be able to see that, but it is a coloring sheet so you can kind of design your quilt pattern and figure out where you want to put your fabric layout. So that's always fun. I haven't actually gotten one of those coloring sheets in a pattern yet, so I really like that. Anyways, here is what it looks like. It's definitely super beginner friendly and easy. And like I said, it uses a layer cake or 42 10-inch squares. All right, the next thing in our box are these Gypsy Quilter Hold Steady machine gloves. They are one size fits all. These retail for $10, and these are perfect actually for quilting. I use these all the time, and I really could use a new pair. I've got a couple pairs that I've already gone through. So they basically have these tacky edges on the fingers, which really help you grip. So these ones have grip all along the entire palm, which I think is awesome because my other ones just have them on the fronts and backs, but they're just on the fingers. So I think those will be awesome. I'm not a huge, the material is I'm kind of material sensitive, so it's a little bit snaggy. But I mean, I think once you have these suckers on, that would be awesome. And I love these. I don't quilt without quilt gloves because quilts are super heavy and they're just really hard to manage, and your hands are just kind of slippery. And so it really helps to have those gloves to just drive that quilt through your machine as you're machine quilting. So anyways, these are awesome. Super happy to have these. I can't wait to try them on, especially with these full palm grips on them. Those are awesome. All right, last thing in my box is this ginormous roll of fabric. This is an entire 10-inch stacker. It's the Gingham Gardens line by oh my gosh, that's hard to say. It's the Gingham Gardens line by My Mind's Eye for Riley Blake. Chic and country collection that screams country sophistication. Gorgeous palette of dusty springtime colors that would look amazing in any modern farmhouse. It's got a really pretty kind of charcoal color, some lighter greens, yellows, of course some whites, some nice light blues in there. It's like a little bit of a darker, they're all kind of dusty, you know, hint of dustiness to them. Pink and then back to the charcoal. So this is really, really pretty. It is a full 10-inch stacker, so there is a ton of fabric in there, but oh my gosh. I've actually had my eye on this bundle. I've been seeing it pop up all over Instagram, and I wanted to take a look at it. So I'm really happy to get it in this box. And of course, as always, the PreCuts classic boxes come with, like I said, it's not like a junior layer cake or like a mini or anything like that. It's a full-on layer cake. So really pretty. And of course, it matches the pattern perfectly. So I think this is going to be a lot of fun. And that was $46 for that layer cake. And then in the back, they always tell you your box value. So $8.85 for shipping. So that brings your box to a total of $84.85, which is a great value. We're interrupting this unboxing for some breaking news. I have 5 winners to announce from last time's unboxing, so we're going to jump right in. The first winner is for a free PreCuts Classic Quilt box, and that goes to Speedy Little Quilter. I also have a giveaway for a PreCuts Quilt Box Modern Stash Builder. That is going to Jennyjist. And I have 2 $50 gift cards. Those are going to Jennifer Wilkerson and Katie Bradshaw. And then 1 Steamfast mini iron goes to Amy Thompson. I will list all of your names below. I've also liked your comment on the previous YouTube video, and so that should also send you a notification via YouTube as well. So if you were one of the winners, email me at erica@confessionsofahomeschooler.com. Let me know which item you won, and then we will get all the details sorted out and get your prize out to you. So thank you so much for entering to win. Congratulations to all the winners. And now we'll head back to our regularly scheduled programming. So here's everything that came in my box. I'm holding it all up because I think I'm really excited about all of it. I love the fabric, the pattern. I'm really excited to try these new gloves, and I can always use a new rotary blade. As a matter of fact, I was actually just getting out a quilt yesterday and thinking, man, I really need a new rotary blade. And believe it or not, I did not have one in my drawer. So that's perfect timing for this one. So leave me a comment letting me know what your favorite product from this month's unboxing was. As always, if you like these videos, make sure you thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all the fun stuff. Really helps me out and lets me know that you enjoy these videos. So thank you so much for joining me for today's video, and I will see you next time. So this is their anniversary box. Second anniversary? Is it the second one? And it's kind of a chic. I've actually had my my eye on this. My mind's eye. I've actually had holy cow.